Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then please click on that subscribe button to get more updates from this channel, and if you are already a subscriber, then please don't forget to hit the like button. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the dark circles, and for this you require all the things which are on display on your screen. You require cucumber juice. Cucumber is very good to hydrate your under eye area. You also require green tea for this. You have to boil green tea leaves in a pan and let it boil for 2 minutes or so, and then strain it, and you will get green tea extract. You also require lime juice and aloe vera gel. If you have natural aloe vera plant, or you can get your hands on any kind of aloe vera gel available in the market. So these are the 4 ingredients which you require for this. If you have under eye puffiness or dark circles, or if your eyes are strained due to long or extended hours of working on computer, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Mix 1 tablespoon of lime juice and 2 tablespoons of green tea and 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice. To this add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. This under eye pack or under eye mask is very useful to get rid of under eye bags or puffiness, as it is rich in antioxidants. As we all know, green tea is very rich in antioxidants. It also gives you brightness under the skin, and lime juice on the other hand is very rich in vitamin C, which will help you to hydrate your under eye area and also brightens up the area. Cucumber juice is excellent to hydrate your skin. It is very useful to nourish your skin. The under eye area is very sensitive, and the skin under the area of your eye is very thin, so you require something which is very hydrating and also which is very rich in antioxidants and vitamin A, vitamin E, and also folic acid, as all these vitamins and minerals will allow your under eye area to recover and also hydrate at the same time. You require cotton pads, which are easily available in any cosmetic stores near you. So I am making them into half, as this shape will exactly fit your under eye area. So you require a few cotton pads. You can store this mixture in the refrigerator and use it daily. So you can make it in a bulk quantity and store it for a week or so. So just dip this cotton pad in the mixture and soak it for 20 to 30 seconds. As this soaks all the mixture, you have to just squeeze it a bit. Do not squeeze all the liquid out. We require some of the liquid to be stored in the under eye patches, so that it will penetrate your under eye area and heal it from within. So I'm just slightly squeezing it, and I will you can also take a Ziploc bag and store it in your refrigerator for 1 week. You can, whenever you have time, preferably at the night, you can apply this under eye patches and let it be for 5 minutes, and then you can wash it with normal water, and you will see in a week you will see your puffiness and dark circles will go away, and you feel very stress free. At least you will feel that your under eye bags and the dark circles have lightened drastically.